All right, everyone, we have another free funnel Friday this week. It is a complete course that people can order from your website. It's called Unlocking Creativity in Daily Tasks. And the funnel comes with the sales page for people to sign up. They get the course book, workbook, checklist, journal, planner, 7-day challenge. And their checkout page is ready for you, which is connected to the Noomu shopping cart. The course members download area where they can download their guide, get their workbook and checklist. There is a journal and planner, and you can see interactivity is built in. They can leave comments, ask questions, and then there is the 7-day challenge as well. All done for you. So just a few tweaks that you'd need to do by setting this free funnel up in your Noomu account. And if you don't use Noomu yet, you can try as free for 14 days. So now I'm going to just take you into the back end and show you how to add this to your Noomu account and the few things you need to update. All right, so when you have the funnel link, you just put that into your browser and you will be taken to a page to either log in or create an account. If you don't have an account yet, create here. You'll be able to try as free for 14 days. If you already have an account, click login. And we're going to log in and we're going to see that we want to add this to existing project. You don't want to put it in a new project unless you're doing this for clients and working on a completely different account. That will be a different billing plan, etc. So we add it to our website. And now I'll just walk you through where everything is and tell you the minimum number of things you would need to set up. So if you go over here to the left, there are the pages that are all here. So that's the sales page. There is a free registration. Well, if you want to use it, you can do that, but it's set up to be a course purchase. So there's a checkout page, and this is the downloads and the challenges, and the product is already in the store. You can see over here, there is a product ready to go. And there is also under messaging and workflows, there's an automation that starts now. So let's just walk through the different pages and I'll let you know the minimum of what needs to be changed. So it's very few things. Everything's really set up for you and you can go through all the pages. Obviously check that they reflect what you want them to reflect. You can add to them, you can change whatever. But the minimum here on this main page, the sign up page, is there is a little note to you here to watch the tutorial, which you happen to be watching right now. There is also, if you wanted the source files of this, you can grab it from our Platinum Inner Circle $1 trial, or if you're already a member, log in, go into your bonus area, and you'll get the source files for this. You don't need the source files to make this work. They are already unbranded, ready for your customers to download. But if you want to add your logo or more information about your other products and stuff like that, you may want to have the source files so that you have more control over the marketing of it. So this sales page is ready to go. Read through it, see what you'd like to change. You would need to update your price. The product in the store is set at $47, but you might want to put a regular price here. You also probably want to update this countdown timer. You just click it and then you can edit the settings there. And then you would want to replace your photo here and add your name. That's all that needs to be done to make the main page work. Then on the checkout page, everything's ready. It is already set to go to this particular product. You don't actually need to change anything on the checkout page. And the same with the course download area. When they click these links, it's ready to go download. There are comments areas here. And when you're looking for where to see the comments that you have, you just go under community and you go into the moderation area and you will see the messages there. You can reply to people and stay on top of everything. So in the store, you'll need to connect to payment processor, but that's all that you would need to do to make the funnel work and be functional. The product is already set to go to a specific download page, which is the page we looked at. It'll tag the customer so you can keep track of your email marketing. And then under messaging and workflows, we do have the automation, and it is one email in here. It is triggered by the tag. When they make that purchase, they get tagged with this, and then the email goes out. You would want to edit the email by updating your logo here. If you click it, you can go over here and then you can upload a file. Or if you don't want to have a logo there, you can just put your mouse over it and click the trash can to get rid of it. You'd want to put your name, your company information, whatever else you would like to put in the email. you'll see that it's actually not turned on. In order to turn it on, you would have to verify a domain. It's required by all the Gmail and all the email providers in order to send bulk email, and then add your brand details. And then you'll be able to go back here in the automations and turn it on, and it'll be ready to go. Now, if you already have a Noomu website and you want to move this funnel into your website, you absolutely can. You will have to just do a couple things. You will need to put the product back into the store, and you will also need to redo that quick email automation. But it's a good idea to put it into your website because it will connect with all your other contacts. Everything will be in sync together if it makes sense for you to have it with your main website. So in order to do that, you would go under My Sites and Funnels, and you would click the gear icon of the one you want to put there. And then you just put Move to Website in this project. And then it'll be all set for you. And you'll just need to add the product back and make sure that the checkout page also has the products set on it. So in order to do that, you just click on the checkout widget, you go products, and you'll have to add the product back after you've done that. And then under your messaging and workflows, you just want to make quick automation. You're welcome to copy ours too, copy the text and reuse it. And you're just going to make a quick automation that is triggered by that tag, and then it sends one email. Now, if you need any help with this at all, we are here to give you a hand anytime. You just click help in the bottom left, and that will take you to our community. And you can pick up our free step-by-step online business success kit. You can attend weekly support sessions. They are live. We do it by Zoom and on the screen, so we can help you troubleshoot stuff and help you understand how things work. We can even fix some things for you. But if you can't make it to any of those sessions, you can always consult our FAQ and contact us directly, and we'll give you a hand. There's also a discussion forum. You can see our other turnkey templates and other great stuff that we have there. If you're a coach, check us out. We have a coaching business in 7 simple steps. And you can also grab more free funnels in our free Funnel Friday Creator Circle. So I hope this really helps you put something in action really quickly. It's a super simple way to have a product up and running quickly and selling. If the tech is too much to move it into a website, keep it separate for now and just get that out there and start growing your audience, building your customer list. And we can't wait to see you grow.